Hey everyone, a quick tip for you today that I hope will help you a lot with your document layouts whenever you need a little bit of filler or sample or demo content just to kind of see how things space out. Now, you don't have to leave Microsoft Word to be able to do this. That's the really cool part. So I'm going to start out here with just my document title, maybe a heading 1, maybe a heading 2. There we go, and we'll go ahead and use our formatting here. We'll put our title, we'll do our heading styles. There we go, and then now I just need some filler content, but I don't want to just have to type in some stuff, and I don't want to have to go copy and paste from a website. So in Microsoft Word, all you have to do is type the equal sign and then rand, as in random, open up your parentheses, and then put in the number of paragraphs that you'd like returned. So in my case, maybe I want 5 paragraphs. So I put 5 in there, I close my parentheses, I hit enter, and now I've got all of this sample content in here helping me fill out my page. So I continue working on my layout. Maybe I'm going to change my columns, and I can see how that's going to look with all of my sample content. And then maybe I'm ready to put content in heading 2. Same thing, I'll just do equal rand with 2, maybe a smaller amount, and I can see now how that might spill over into the next column, and also how that interacts with my document title, because I probably should have done my columns a little differently. But that's it. It's really simple, right? You just type in equals rand and then some kind of number inside of your parentheses here. So 1, 2, 25, who knows? But anyway, hopefully that helps. Now, if you do want something different because you're not a fan of the paragraphs that it's returning, or maybe you just want some variety, there are sites out there. Probably one of my favorite websites to go to for this kind of content is jeffsome.com, as in Lorem Ipsum, but with Jeff Goldblum. And you say how many paragraphs you'd like, maybe 5 in this case. I click on Receive the Jeff, and then I can copy and paste all of these Jeff Goldblum quotes from different movies he's been in. And then there's another one. This is loremipsum.io, and you just scroll down a little bit, put the number of paragraphs you want, click on Generate, and then it'll create that number of paragraphs for you. And then you simply click on Copy, and then go back to your Word document, and you can paste. There we go. Now with that one, it came with a lot of formatting, so I'd probably instead do a paste without the formatting, which you can do with a Control-Shift-V, or if you use your paste menu, you can do the Keep Text Only option, and that looks much better. So anyway, I'm sure you see how the equals rand is a lot faster than having to go out to another website, and I hope it helps you out. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions.